Yo. Coming in for this 10 a.m., 11 a.m. New York session grind. Currently in on some NASDAQ buys around that 15,000 whole level. Trying to go for a full 200-point swing. Giving me my 2-to-1 risk to reward. Liking the momentum off first 5 minute, man. There's the gap. Okay, for my silver bullet plays. We can come back in here. Fill back in here. That'd be great. I'm gonna actually wait till this 5 minute counter close. I'm gonna wait till 10:10 prints, and then we'll see if price will come back in here. I'll leave that chart alone. We'll do it on this chart right here. Price is doing exactly what it needs to do right now, though. Exactly what it needs to do. I'm digging it. Digging it heavy, though. I usually play music through my streams, but yeah, nah. I don't want my shit to get copyrighted, so I'm gonna play mine in the background. I'm gonna mute the desktop out of it. You may hear it coming through my mic. My apologies, but oh well. Price comes back in here 50%. So, for a fair value gap to be real, we need a 3 candlestick process. So we need this candle to come back into the zone, push away, and leave a space in between, exactly just like that, and take off. Filling in any 1 minute gaps. Yeah. Travel in the world. When you're drunk, you tell me exactly how you feel. Oh, this is about to be the nicest silver bullet play ever. I feel it coming. It's gonna be essentially something like this right here. And I'm gonna take this bad boy all the way up to the daily opening at least. I'm going crazy for the R to R on this. Usually just go for a 2-to-1, but we're gonna go crazy. I didn't even show the trade yet. So yeah, these are the positions I got in right now. Got one literally at the 272 and 113. Fib levels, both positions in profit, risking 1% on this bottom position, a quarter on this top position. Actually, a little bit of a quarter, like 0.30. Risking 1.3 in all. Trying to go for 2.3. 2,000. First position. Oh, that's 385. A little bit over 0.3%. This 2,000, so that's 2%. So a little, some 2.3%. Price doing exactly what it needs to do. Pulling back, not too heavy, right? Not too strong, just slight enough to piece in the gap. Probably going for that 1 minute space. Pulling in. Yeah, that little fake ass gap. I don't care about that. But doing what it needs to do. Holding the structure. Price swept this low. Swept the lows over here. Now you want to see that floor turn into a ceiling. Right, you want to see the support turn into resistance, or previous support, or the previous floor. You want to see, you know what I'm trying to say. I'm doing too much right now. Can't even speak correctly. Let's go ahead and get to the right. Yeah. I'm gonna risk a little bit less though, because I already got, like I said, 1.3 on the board, so I'm gonna risk half on this. Why are they trying to do a 0.5? So, yeah, look at that gap. 154-ish. Yeah, right in there. Okay. Boom, there's the gap. Gap printed. Okay. Man. Make sure that this is 0.5%. No. It's not 0.5%. That's like a quarter. I'll leave that. See how that plays out. It's at 0.5. It's okay. It's not what I wanted, but I can manually enter something else. Do another 0.25 in here in the middle if it decides to reach there. There you go. Gap touched. So just to clarify, this is what I'm targeting, but the original strat is just 2-to-1 off that zone. Coming out that third candle. Something like that right there. Boom. Which is exactly where that 1-to-1 is for that position. It's kind of crazy. So I'll leave that alert there. There's so much confluence going on right now. It's kind of crazy. Let's see what the other markets are talking about. Dollar gaining some strength here. Let's go to 30-minute candle. Ooh. A lot of different things happening. Oh, price actually still, yes. So it reached, looks like it reached halfway between the gap that printed there, giving us a response. Now we want to see it attack that response. We want to see this gap right here hold. Delete that one. We want to see this one right here hold. I want to hold on tech. That's 100. Same thing for S&P. S&P has one as well. Don't see one. That thing's so ugly on the currencies. I can't even cap. But it's there. It's there. It's there. It's there across the board. My money USDs are all filled with some fair value. All of them tapped into. EU and AU filled all the way. And completely disrespected it. GU responding well. NAS, look at boy. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. This trade is literally going to the T of what we wanted to do. To the T. Somebody talking about join me. I'm focusing on trading right now, brother. I don't know if is he watching my stream? Look at that silver bullet play, man. Look at that play. Look at that play. Look at that play, man. Look at that play. I'm about to make a good guap ban off this. No kizzy. Oh my goodness. I couldn't have asked for a better trade. I'm already up 1%. I'm nowhere near my target. Nowhere near my target. What is this right here? What position is this? There's a lot going on. Okay, I need to okay. So everything on the board minimum needs to be coming up here. So make sure it all is. And then when price reaches that 1-to-1, I'll probably close a partial. Probably close like this bottom position. Yeah, from this to this low. Was that 33 points? It's 33 times 2, 66. I ain't gotta do the math. I just got it on alert on TradingView over here, but it is 66. For those of you that thought I don't know how to count, yes, I am aware. Oh my goodness, this is moving so to the T. Like I'm extremely happy right now. I'm already up 1.2. How much will I gain off this? Just so I have some position closed, my emotions don't go too crazy, I will close this position right here. We'll close a quarter out right there. We'll close that top position out at a quarter. Everything else I'm holding. Everything else I'm holding. And I'll go break even once that position closes as well. But this is already my psychological thoughts are telling me, dang, you should have risked more. It's all right. I already got plenty of enough on the board. Originally, I was risking 1.3 off this play right here. Now I think I have at least 2% risk on the board right now. Now I was saying, not in the stream, but in the previous recording that I had, the concern that I had. Actually, no, I didn't explain what I'm looking at in the stream. So what I'm looking at is just pretty much the even though we're in a downtrend, right? Price is showing us that it has bullish inclination to retrace back into the median every time, right? It sells off. Look at price. Good grief. That's what I'm, boy, oh my goodness. My emotions are just calm down. Just calm down. Be patient. It's only been 15 minutes in too, which is crazy. NASDAQ is pulling. Oh my goodness. This is really about to hit for me. And this is about to be the greatest Friday I done had. Caught on stream. Just a simple silver bullet play. Silver bullet play. Let me finish explaining. So looking at the circled areas, this high right here and this low right here, drew a fib on it, looking at price to sweep the liquidity, which it did, and hit a area of interest where there's a floor down here, right? Buyers flooding in, filling in this gap as best as it can. There's a little bit left. Now I am aware of how price works. The supply here must be clear before price can continue. I don't expect it to just blow through. So with that being said, if I draw a fib on from this high to this low, paying into that 7888, yeah, right in there, tapped. Okay, so the supply has been tapped. Now that the supply has been tapped, right, there's going to, let me not do it on this chart. I don't want to do it on this chart. Let's do it on let's do it on this one. Yeah. Okay. From this high to this low, looking at that 7.8 to be tapped, trying to remove this supply right here essentially. Okay, that was expected for it to kind of level itself back out, and now we want to see price just to continue to hold this. All right, once again, we're targeting that daily open. We're already retracing. EU, AU, and GU positive on the day now. Not playing no games. Or AU and GU, excuse me. GU was actually never negative. Silver bullet plays across the board. Just playing out. We'll see which one hits first. Looks like it's about to be AU. Yeah, AU already hit. AU is going crazy. Gold must be doing something. Let's go look at gold. Gold talking about. Yeah, gold trying to raid that high. Gold did sweep. Did it sweep? No, it didn't sweep. It did on one time frame, technically. Definitely trying to hit higher. This crab is going to play out. So this is where you as a trader have to just be paying attention to one trade at a time. Don't be trying to do too much. Me, I'm more aware of everything that I'm pulling up. I was looking at over the night, so I was choosing which one I was gonna go with. I was actually in gold, but that's another story. I'm just paying attention to what's happening because I'm curious as to what's gonna happen. What I'm trying to do here. Yeah, right at that one. That's I'm not going to enter in any of these. Look at that. Engulfing on GJ. Wow. In the 30-minute too. Price action retested back. Swept that low right here. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Somebody know what they're doing. Filled in that tiny ass little gap right there. I see it. I see it. I see it. I see you. I see you. I see you. Reaching higher and higher. So we're tapping into the supply, right? We want to see there's a lot of lines on the screen, so let me remove them so we can pay attention more when we're looking at it. We want to see price come back down and make a well, we don't want to see it, but if price does decide to come back down after tapping to the supply, more than likely, I'm pretty sure it is. It happens all the time after it tap, because the supply has to be cleared and rated. Now that it's tapped, it must come back down to a floor and then completely raid the supply to go higher. So I'm looking at going into that daily opening. We're targeting the mess at that daily opening. Currently up 1.5%. Floating strong, floating strong. I'm waiting until we at least raid the supply before I break even on my. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. I don't want to go break even on my entries now. There's no way in heck I'm allowing myself to go into drawdown here, but I don't want some crazy happening take me out my position. So that tends to happen. I'm gonna be patient. Let price go here. We're only 23 minutes into the session. Going great. Like couldn't have asked for a better setup, better silver bullet. We're inches away from it actually. That's crazy. How it actually didn't. Depending on how you played it, like if you would have went off that 50, technically it would have hit already at 2-1, but you hit the top of the zone, which I usually do. Mark for my target. We didn't reach it yet. Definitely the biggest trade of the year I've had. Why is it the biggest trade of the year? Because of the prediction, right? Me being able to see it before it happens, and the confidence of the risk that I put on top of it. I got 2% on the board, and two different types of setups, right? Like these first entries I had. Oh, there we go. My trading view alert is going off, which means we hit that 1-to-1 off the original position. Okay, it's in, so officially in that supply zone now. Boy, come on now. S&P gone. S&P above its daily opening. NASDAQ is reaching. Oh my goodness, we're pushing. My emotions are going crazy right now. Half of me is just like, close, you stupid. But nah, I ain't closing nothing because I got more positions up here I'm waiting on. Got 800, 1900, and 430. 800 plus 1900 plus, what was that on 400? Yeah, so we're trying to get 3% here easily. Nice, easy 3%. Okay, it's doing what I anticipated. Coming back down. We want to see it reach a floor and a hold. Has to hold. And it comes back. Has to hold. It's crazy because I'm calling it out before it even happens. Not gonna lie, trades don't usually come out to the T like this, but I've just done it so many times now. What happens when you be patient and wait for what you like to see? Half of me wants that put in another position right here, especially because there's a gap right here. There's some more insufficiency that can be filled in. But we'll see. Really feel the confidence as dollars, well, it is dropping, but it's not below its daily opening. That's why euro isn't above its daily opening. You want to see a hold though, and see S&P retracing back, people taking profits here as we're reaching into previous ceilings, previous areas of supply. Of course, already called out. Just gotta be patient, man. Patient, trust your analysis. Should have took something off the board. I'm not gonna lie, I should have taken something off the board. I don't want to say I've been greedy. Half of me feels like I'm being greedy because I didn't take anything. What up, my boy Jay? What up, my boy Jay? I didn't take anything off. But that's what happens when you believe in your analysis, man. So we're just gonna continue being patient. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. All right, so what are we going for? We're going for that 15 you really going for 15,200? Because what's the daily opening? What level is that at? 15,143? Oh, so we're actually targeting a little bit higher. We'll see how my emotions get once we get to that 15,150 right at the daily opening. I'm imagining once we get close enough to, well, what I'm expecting to happen is after we clear this, we're gonna come back and test and fill in this fair value gap right here. More volume and momentum is gonna push into the market and completely raid that supply. Just blow straight through the supply and tap into the daily opening, and then we'll probably start to see some wavering in the momentum. Gotta be patient for that. So I'm definitely about to go break even though on all my positions, because ain't no way in heck am I allowing myself to lose any type of money, especially after I'm up, where I was up 1.5. Try to win break even on all my entries. So there's no reason I should lose anything now. Let me do that on all my accounts. I got multiple accounts I'm trading right now. I'm gonna do it on this one too. Not the brain emoji. You trading, Jay? What you looking at, Jay? Oh, I already know you in the Dow Jones. You only like the Dow. You only be liking the Dow. We're above this 50 SMA. Okay, we're pulling back pretty heavy now. We're tapping into this fair value. Okay, we are here. We're here. Let's see how the market reacts, man. I need it to continue doing what I'm saying. And it's not like, oh, I know I'm predicting the market. No, the market does the same shit over and over and over again, bruh. The same shit over and over and over again. It's a good Friday. US 30. The dirty 30. Let me see. I haven't even looked at US 30. Let's see. US 30 look better than S&P and NASDAQ. That gap though is atrocious. This is atrocious. Did it happen on the brokers as well? Let me see. I don't have US 30 on mine, which I gotta add it. Boom, 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 boom. Dang. Ooh. Ooh. This is atrocious. This is why I don't trade this dang thing, man. How would you have? I don't even think this, and according to my strategy, would have never filled in my fair value gap, and I would have never gotten in, and I would have been peed off because it did on everything else, literally everything else. Uh, yeah, Aussie is strong. Euro getting there. Dollar, here we go. Here we go. DXY breaking below 5 minute. Can we get a 15-minute counter? Yeah, opening of the 15-minute. 10:30. Oh, opening of the 10:30. Okay, here we go. Here might be the rate. Because S&P is already above its. S&P rated its supply. Or its first level of supply. There's another one right here it has to get through. It's above its daily opening, though. I need NASDAQ to catch up, man. Catch up, man. Talk to me nice, Nas. Talk to me nice, man. Oh, shit. Actually gonna close this. My other account, I'm gonna start taking some profit because I was already up for the day. Why not? I actually just close this one off completely so I can focus. Put myself back at break even because I was slightly under on this account. Now I'm back at break even. Okay, boom. Emotions, don't gotta worry about that account at all. Live account looking whoo noise. You go break even. Feel like a real manager, man. I have managing multiple accounts and all right, here we go. Back into the gap again. Back into the fair value. Tapping into that 50 AMA. We need you to do right. All right. We need you to do right. Is there a gap on the 15-minute time frame? Unfortunately, there is. That is going to cause some issues with my entries on this account. Diamond hands. Diamond hands. Tough, 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 tough. I'm not gonna lie, I'd be so hurt if this comes and just raise all my positions. I would be so butthurt. I'm not gonna cap, but it's a part of the game. It's a learning process. We ain't worried about that though. We ain't worried about that though. Not at all. No worries. DXY gaining some more strength here. That's why. Seeing some more retracements. S&P coming down out of that, out of its top supply. And a lot of people ask, why do I look at the gap is about to blow up? Which one? Which one? The bottom one? It better not. I need the 5-minute gap on my NASDAQ to blow up, to hold. It already rated it. It's completely below it. It's tapping into this second one now. I put this fib on here, right here, that 382. I really don't want to see it come anywhere below that 50%. Here we go. It's retracing strong now. When it comes to this position, like the stop loss, I want to stay in these. I want to stay in these. I'm going to move the stop loss out. Diamond hands here. Diamond hands here. Oh, shit. Here we go. All right, I got to hype myself up here. I'm going to mute my mic and turn my music back up. Hold on. Look at that bounce. Look at that bounce. Look at that bounce. We needed to continue to do that, man. Oh, we need a 5-minute engulfing close right here off that 236, right over 1507.5 is what I'm looking at. We need that fair value gap, the first one, to continue to act as a floor. You see, it's doing what I'm telling you, man. Look how close they got to my position now. Boy, I move my stop. You got in, my boy? You got in, my boy? Hey, my boy. Trying to tell you, my boy, we know something over here, man. We need momentum to continue, though. Going break even back on my positions. Look at that, man. I'm calling it to the T. I promise you the market does the same thing over and over and over again, man. Oh, I'm finna make a bag today. I'm finna make a bag today. I need you to hurry up, but my emotions is wild. I need to calm down. Usually when I hype myself up, I usually make a Emotional decision. Let me calm down. Look at that engulfing. Oh, calling it to the T. Look at that. I'm telling you, it's gonna blow through that supply. We need this hourly candle. All right. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Hurry up. What's S&P doing? Look at boy. S&P finna blow through. Oh man, I'm gonna put an alert here. So we have to be aware. The dollar is the key here, though. I do not think we'll rate this low on a dollar. I don't think we'll reach that target I'm trying to get to. I do think we'll get to the daily opening. I don't know if we'll get all the way up to 15,200, unfortunately. I will probably be closing. I'm gonna go ahead and say it now, like 80% of the positions. I'm gonna take a partial off 80% right when we get to the daily opening. Let me go ahead and manually do that as well, because I don't want my emotions to start to do something else when price actually gets there. Hold on. Okay. Jay, look. So I'm gonna show you with the magic keys, right? Another cool thing. Oh shit. I don't know what's price doing. This needs to do exactly what I say. This floor needs to hold. Shit, excuse me. Damn. This needs to hold as a floor. It needs to hold. That just pulled some liquidity off some time frame. Times at 1042. As long as this doji holds like that, and then fills in the top side and the bottom holds, that price action on the 15 minutes scaring me though. I ain't gonna lie. Let's see though. Let's see. What I was about to say though, Jay, is you do partial TP, right? And I'm gonna do it right in here, that 2.7. You're gonna close 75% off. You reach that level. So boom, it's automatically gonna do it for me. Close 75% off. We'll let the rest ride. That price action scaring me. It needs to hold. Let me go look what the other markets are doing. Is the dollar coming back up again? What's happening? S&P, hold. I should have traded S&P today. One time NASDAQ don't show out, man. It still can. I needed to go big brr. Look, GU did it. AU going crazy. EU, come on. The dollar is dropping. Okay, I feel good. Okay, when I come, another reason why I look at the different things so I can see how the markets are moving as a whole, but also to give me confidence, right? Most of the time, he's moving confluence in the same direction. Not always, but most of the time. So the fact that the rest of these are coming up, I feel good. The next thing you have to worry about is the next level we got to go through. So here's that one on EU. AU is literally there. Dang, NASDAQ is scaring the shit out of me. I can't even count. NASDAQ got a supply. I mean, AUG got a supply. GU got a supply. All right, this next candle is about to be huge. 5 minute and 15. Let's see. More diamond hands here. Gotta hold. Up 1% though. Trust your analysis. Trust the analysis. And don't be too blind. Don't be too confident. That's why I changed my thought from waiting until we got to that full 200 pip to now I'm gonna wait till we get to that daily opening and secure 75%, because you don't want to leave nothing on the table. That's what you don't want to do. You definitely don't want to lose anything either. Look at that reaction. Come on, 15070, 15070, 4473 on S&P. GU 2730. Yeah. Yeah. Get your way up there, man. Get on up there, man. My emotions are getting to me again. I gotta hype myself up again. Hold on. To that 15-minute. Okay, I was just finna say this wick has to be filled. I'm not gonna lie, I ain't want to say it, but there's a chance that it can come and fill in its bottom side too, and take longer to get up to the top side. But I don't want. I want time to be on my side right now. Straight shit. I was trying to straight shit. Late night. Straight like I missed it. Straight like I hit the fan. Straight like I'm not going to work. Slide. Shoulder. Slide. Oh. Come on. This is worst comes to worst, I'm gonna close this bitch at $1,000 and just take 1% off. That's what I don't want to do. I don't want to do that though. Fuck, man. I think I'm gonna have to do it. Price action is not on my side right now. Price action is not being my friend right now. Fuck, it's not being my. Excuse me. Fuck. All right, I'm gonna close this top position out. Fortunately. What's up, One World? All right, so I closed that one position out. Emotions are getting to me. I'm gonna close. Depending on how this 1 minute. Oh yeah, nah. Damn. Price comes back below here again, I'm closing. good thing is I know it's gonna go up. It's just timing. Timing is so crucial. You can be at the right price level, but if the time is wrong, yeah, I'm out. Yo, damn. I'm not mad. I just made a 1%. I made 1%. I had potential to close out 1.5%. All right, so I just closed all my positions here. All right, so now I need to focus on scaling in. All right, I want to scale myself back in somehow, some way. Ideally at this 113 extension level. I wanted to come a little bit lower. We're gonna scale in on time frames too. We're gonna come down a little bit lower on this 1 minute time frame. I'll look for some type of fair value that needs to be filled in right here. Yeah, right in that fair value, got right in there. Focusing on how deep is the retracement though. You want to be within the confluence of the structure, with confluence of the trend, right? So this is right here at that 50% level that it's looking at. If I'm gonna scale in, it needs to be relatively soon. A dub's a dub though, boy. That was a good dub. That was a nice clean dub. I predicted that whole, I want to say I predicted, right? I reacted to it, right? I'm seeing price do the same thing over and over and over again, so I'm just reacting to it. Been here over and over again. So now scaling in, right? How am I going to scale myself in? I need to calm down and think about this. It's a lot on my screen right now. I need to come down and tap that 113 again. We're gonna risk 0.5% here. I'm gonna scale myself in there. Is that 0.5%? That's not half. Is that 0.5%? No, that's not. What the? Dang it, man. Magic Keys doing that BS again. Look at price pull back though. Ask me how I knew that. Don't ask me how I knew that. What's up, One World? You catching any trades, man? Okay, it's coming lower. Oh, I'm so glad I closed. Woo, oh, to be heated. Dang, I didn't even close a full percent though. Close 871. That's kind of not good. I have to scale in now. I gotta get some of that bread back. I don't have to, but like, that supply ran hit. Trying to figure out because my magic keys is no. Magic keys is not being my friend right now. I hate when it does this. It does this on this broker. For some reason, this broker is janky. I just think markets be messing up the lot size. I don't know why. I don't know what be going on, but 278. No, so two. I need a standard. A standard, is that what I need right there? Let's see. Add a stop loss. Stop loss right at 1500 essentially. $500 right under the slow of the structure. Price is pulling back deep. This is deep. What is the other markets doing right now? Dollar is barely moving. S&P pulled back too. Currency's holding themselves though. especially Aussie and sellers are still here. Sellers are still here, but I'm not going for it. I'm not a seller at all. A little bit frustrated when thinking about the profits that I closed with, but I'm still grateful. Still gotta be grateful. I am definitely. Now, how do I manage from here? I told you timing. Unfortunately, we're on the wrong side of time. It's 10:55. Closing out of the silver bullet session. I think I'm about to get activated. Okay, I just got activated in. Risking 0.5% here. Same target though. Same target. Same target. We want to make sure that the bears, the sellers, aren't so strong that it completely wipes out the buyers and wipes out my idea. These candles do look pretty heavy here. We're bullish on the 4-hour, 1 hour, 30-minute in the middle, 15 and 5 in the middle. So we're in the middle here. We filled in the 15-minute gap here, right? There's a 15-minute insufficiency with this 15-minute candle that with the first explosion up right at the opening at 10 a.m. Notice how price is pulling back right at the end of 10 a.m. So it's grabbing liquidity. It grabbed that top side. I don't want to say there's liquidity, but it definitely tapped into the supply up here. Then came back down. I don't want to. I guess I don't want to say there's demand. This isn't. I don't consider that demand, but there's a fair value that need to be. It's an insufficiency that need to be filled in. It filled in. Now, only time will tell where we go from here. Half of me wants to get out, and wait for a price to tell me what it wants to do, and the other half is telling me to stick your ass in there because it ain't coming back once it leaves. So we gonna see, how it reacts off this -13 extension. The top level of one of my entry zones is actually where most of my top entries are. I like how it's leaving here in the 1 minute. Once again, we were filling in the 15 minutes. So if it leaves a wick, let's see. I might close out here and just wait for the hourly. Yeah, I'm gonna close out here because I want to press the pullback and pull me in a drawdown, taking on any profits that I already secured. We gonna wait. Good hour, good session. Great session. Great hour. A lot just happened in that hour. But notice how I was able to walk myself through. Notice how I was able to talk myself through. Talking to yourself while trading is huge. Huge. Sellers might be in control here, man. If we stay below that 113, this level right here, sellers may be in control. The dollar, what's the 4-hour look like? What's the daily look like? Oh shit. Jay, you still with me? Who in here? I see I got a viewer. Who in here still? Hey man, sellers may be in control. You bitch shit with a bitch with a badge. You're gonna keep me down all this time. Open of the hour. All right. Half of me wants to put my position back in, because if it leaves, it's not coming back. I guarantee you this motherfucker's not coming back. But how slow it is moving right now, we're gonna see. I don't know how I want to scale myself in right now. Kind of want to just sit back and just chill. Volume is exiting. Volume is decreasing. Volume is also accumulating. We're accumulating for our next punch, which does not have to necessarily be today. So we're gonna see. Great silver bullet though. Great silver bullet. I think Jay caught the top one. I don't know why you didn't catch this bottom one with me, Jay. I literally called this to the T. I think you joined too late. This was a nice play. 2.7. I was up like 1.7%. Fortunately, closed under 1, but it's all right. Should have closed half. I ain't tripping. Another one. Yeah, another one. We're gonna see how I'm gonna sit here until 11:15. Sit here for the next 15 minutes. If no volume comes back in, I'm gonna call it, because it's Friday. We ain't gonna force nothing. Definitely ain't giving no profits back. That's what we are not doing. I don't like how it's holding here like that though. There's a gap right above. It's doing what it needs to do. It's pushing up off this negative 13 extension right here at 15.035, 335. I'm alive. Understand. Yeah, man. Volume is definitely even the markets. Price action here on 15-minute, 30-minute, hourly. Still potential. Still a lot of potential here. so much potential, but the timing is unfortunately leaving. With that being said, the volume is leaving. Blah. I had to move. I mean, I literally, you seen it? Addicted the shit out that motherfucker. Uh-oh, okay, I may be talking too soon. Or is it just playing with my emotions here? That's what it's doing. This engulfing candle is saying a lot right here. Across the board. Dollar telling you what's happening. This pink line is the daily opening right away. Dollar taking back control of the day. Euro rejecting the daily opening. Aussie right here at his daily opening, about to lose it. GU retracing. NAS and S&P doing the same. All right. I think that might be all she wrote. I appreciate y'all for hopping on. I'm finna go ahead and cut this thing, man, and look like that's all she wrote. What a great trade. Great opportunity. I didn't close what I wanted, but I still profited for the day. I've closed around $800, which for me on a 100K account, slightly under a percent, closed at like 0.8%. Once again, not nowhere near what I wanted. A lot of potential. I was up around 1.5, 1.7. Price retraced. I took action though. I took action and I did not let price come back and wick me out at break even. Do not leave profits on the table. I had to learn that the hard way. That's how I kind of got to where I am right now, and I can see when price is coming back because I've seen it so many times over and over again. So, what can I learn? We'll see. As I don't want to say anything in hindsight right now. I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna walk away. I'm gonna do my market report, my review over the day a little bit later. I always like doing that later, coming back and reviewing. But yeah, great energy, great momentum. Look at the dollar taking back over. And the reason why I'm not, usually I would go ahead and why would somebody might say, why would you not get in with the sales? Right? That's with the trend. Price is trending. We're getting closer to out of my session and we're losing volume. And it's a Friday and it's 11 a.m. coming out of my session and it's a Friday and we're losing volume. So all those three things combined, I'm straight because I don't want to give back also what I've already profited. Huge, very huge. But I appreciate y'all, man. Much love. Peace out.